Today, we are drawing a cute laptop. Let's start. It's okay. If your lines are a bit wobbly, just keep going.
Only the wind to hum along. She's looking at rose liquid or a song of a little slicer. She uses it for her butter and toast. She has it in her stomach and then sang happily. A new unicorn place welcomed her. She was happy.
Ice cream. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lamp. M is for moon. N is for net. O is for owl. P is for pet. Q is for queen. R is for rain. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Our cute laptop is ready. Now it's coloring time! Yay! My favorite part. You can use any color you like. It's your drawing. Keep going. You're doing awesome.
In the morning sun so bright, we learn colors left and right. Red and yellow, blue and green, colors of the rainbow scene. Let's learn.
You're such a great artist.
What a day.
Nice. Which color will you use for the screen? What should I draw next? A tablet or a mobile phone? the next video.